Hey everyone, so I've been making a bunch of tutorials lately, as you guys know, from how I created viral orange cat edits to anime reels and much more. But one of the most asked questions I keep getting is how do you download reels or shorts so fast? Honestly, there's no direct download buttons on platforms like Facebook or Instagram, and most of those free tools online that you find are full of ads. They redirect you like 10 times for different websites, and it's absolutely a download malware. So that's exactly why I want to share this awesome tool that I've been using. It's called SaveFBS.com, in which you'll get no ads, no pop-ups. It's completely virus free, and yes, it's absolutely free, like works in just under 5 seconds. So if you want to go ahead and use that, you need to jump into the website of SaveFBS.com. So this will be a very intuitive homepage that they're gonna offer, which says Save FPS free Facebook video downloader only, fast and easily. And in that, you can also see there are lots of positive comments that people have left over here. So all you have to do is copy the link of any video, whether it's a Facebook reel, Instagram video, YouTube shorts, or even a full Facebook video. Copy the link of that video, go to savefps.com, paste it, and hit download. And here's the best part. Not only you can download the full video, but I've been using this feature a lot. You can also extract just the audio in MP3 format. So let's just say you found a reel with a fire beat or a motivational speech. Let's just say just copy the link of that, paste it, and in seconds you have got the audio ready to use for your edits or reels in no time. And yeah, also you guys, it works absolutely fine on your phone. No app needed. Just open your browser, go to savefbs.com, paste your link, and hit download. So yeah, whether it's a video or just the MP3, super fast and super easy, you guys, right? So yeah, there you have it, guys. So if you're tired of sketchy downloaders, annoying pop-ups, or wasting time, SaveFBS.com is tool you need. It's fast, free, clean, and it works absolutely perfect. So yeah, whether you are a content creator or just want to save and repurpose cool clips, this tool has got you covered, you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this quick tutorial, a hack that I've been using a lot recently. I just want to share that with you guys. So yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.